Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G84, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, just tap on Theme section and scroll all the way down again. Now, thanks to those little icons at the top right corners of chosen sections, you can see all available themes. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, you can always do that by going back to the same settings, but this time clicking on this plus icon under my themes. Over here, tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!